When homeowners in Palmetto Bay look for ways to enhance comfort, efficiency, and style, casement windows often rise to the top of the list. Known for their clean design and practical performance, casement windows are a smart investment for South Florida homes that face heat, humidity, and seasonal storms. Here's a closer look at why casement windows are such a popular and beneficial choice for Palmetto Bay homeowners. One of the biggest advantages of casement windows is excellent ventilation. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows that only open partway, casement windows swing outward on side hinges, allowing the entire window opening to be used. This design captures ocean breezes and channels fresh air directly into your home. In a warm, coastal community like Palmetto Bay, improved airflow can make a noticeable difference in indoor comfort, especially during cooler mornings and evenings. Casement windows are also well known for their energy efficiency. When closed, the window sash presses firmly against the frame, creating a tight seal that reduces air leakage. This helps keep cool air inside during hot summer months and prevents warm, humid air from entering your home. As a result, your air conditioning system doesn't have to work as hard, which can lead to lower energy bills and a more consistent indoor temperature year-round. Another key benefit is enhanced security. Casement windows typically feature multi-point locking systems that secure the window at several points along the frame. Because the window opens outward, it's also more difficult for intruders to force it open from the outside. For homeowners who value peace of mind, this added layer of protection is an important advantage. From a design perspective, casement windows offer clean lines and versatile style. They complement a wide range of architectural designs, from modern coastal homes to traditional Florida residences. Their unobstructed glass panels provide clear views of the outdoors and allow plenty of natural light to brighten interior spaces. Many homeowners choose casement windows for living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms where light and visibility matter most. Casement windows are also easy to operate, making them a great option for homeowners of all ages. The crank-style handle allows smooth opening and closing with minimal effort. This is especially useful for hard-to-reach areas, such as above kitchen sinks or countertops, where lifting or sliding a window could be inconvenient. For Palmetto Bay homes, weather resistance is another major benefit. Casement windows can be fitted with impact-resistant glass, making them well-suited for hurricane-prone regions. Their tight seal and sturdy construction help protect against strong winds, heavy rain, and flying debris, while also reducing water intrusion during severe storms. Maintenance is another area where casement windows shine. With fewer tracks and moving parts than some other window styles, they're generally easier to keep clean and in good working condition. Many designs allow the exterior glass to be accessed from inside the home, simplifying routine cleaning. In the long term, installing casement windows can also increase property value. Buyers often appreciate energy-efficient features, modern aesthetics, and durable window solutions designed for South Florida conditions. Quality casement windows can enhance curb appeal while signaling that a home has been thoughtfully upgraded. For homeowners in Palmetto Bay, casement windows offer a balanced combination of beauty, performance, and practicality. From improved airflow and energy savings to security and storm readiness, they provide benefits that are well suited to the local climate and lifestyle. Whether you're renovating an existing home or building new, casement windows are a worthwhile option to consider.